Assalamualaikum. I hope all of you are doing well. So in this video, I am just going to share some wonderful resources regarding A-level chemistry, which are specifically designed for the last minute revision or the ones that you can use at the end of every chapter. Once it is completed in your respective college or school, you can just do its revision from this book and then you can move ahead to the past papers. So the very first book that I love the most is this. It's a chemistry revision guide by Judith Potter and Peter Can. It's a very nice book, and the best part about this book is that it has divided all the details in the form of subtopics. This is the key strength number 1, and after every subtopic there is a progress check section where there are certain questions that are related to that subtopics, and at the end of every chapter there are some specific exam style questions, and also this book contains many worked examples and all the answers are written according to the marking scheme style. Like the questions are clearly showing the division of marks. Another strength of this book is the sequence in which the answers are written for explanation type questions. So you get a very nice idea about the sequence in which the answers have to be written. So I just love this book a lot, and another thing is that by doing this book you find it very easy to do the past papers, because most often it does happen that when you simply cover a chapter and then you move ahead to the past papers, it becomes very difficult for you to do those past papers, because when you are doing the past papers you are covering a complete one topic at that time and you haven't practiced different subtopics के questions, right? So अगर आपने ये वाली बुक की हुई है तो आपने पहले सारे सब टॉपिक्स को कवर किया हुआ है, सो दैट बिकम्स रिलेटिवली ईजियर फॉर यू टू डू द पास्ट पेपर्स, बिकॉज आपको पता है कि इस सब टॉपिक में से इस नेचर का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, फिर इस सब टॉपिक में से ये आ सकता है. सो यू कैन जस्ट गैदर अप ऑल दोज कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो आपने वो सारे पढ़े हैं, तो आपके लिए पास्ट पेपर्स को अटेम्प्ट करना बहुत ईजी हो जाता है. सो आई वुड गिव इट अ 10/10. द सेकेंड बुक विच आई लव द मोस्ट इज दिस वन. This is Oxford Revision Guide for AS and A-Level by Michael Lewis. It's a very nice book because it helps you to do the revision through the help of diagrams. So all those students who find it really difficult to study theory, they can move ahead and do all the revision through this book. It has so many flowcharts and diagrams in it, which makes it very easy for you to do all the revision. So I always recommend this book, and it's very nice for doing your organic chemistry, because all the conditions, reactions, mechanisms, and all the reaction stuff and reaction pathways that are needed for organic synthesis are so nicely written. Likely this book covers all the basic graphs that you need to know for the exam, the equations and important stuff, including all the important points. So that is my number 2 favorite book, but still I would rather prefer that the difficulty level of this book is comparatively higher. So I would rather suggest that if you want a simplified version for doing the revision, then the first one, the Judith Potter and Peter Can's revision guide, is a good to go option. Third book that I recommend to all of you for doing the physical chemistry calculations is by Ramsden. It's a very nice book. It contains all the necessary calculations that you need to know for your exam for both AS and A2 level. And even I have seen that there are questions in the past papers which have been taken from Ramsden, and the examiner has simply molded the values and the statements, but the rest of the things are same as given in the Ramsden's book. So that is a very highly recommended book, and I hope that if you will get to practice some questions from Ramsden's book, you will get an idea of doing the past papers very nicely and very easily. So having said this, I hope that this video is of help to you. So just get an access to any one of these books, and it will definitely ease your A-level journey. For more videos, just stay tuned to my page and let me know what else you want me to make. Till then, bye. Allah Hafiz.